Chris again from Bees Adventure. Today we're going to look at this 2970 RL. This is one of the RVs that we've been looking at possibly getting. You can see this is a rear living with an island. You know, the hitch isn't too bad. Weight isn't too bad for properly equipped half tons. So let's get into this, see what's going on. So as we walk up these steps here, first thing we'll come into is the rear living kitchen area. So you see you got an island, the stove, you got the, let me turn the lights on here, you got the rear couch, theater seat. That rear couch does fold out into a bed if you need to. It's got the Dometic fridge, you know, good pan around here, you see the theater seating, the free floating dinette. We'll come around here to the other side. So there's the theater seating that does have heat and massage in it. They both recline. They got lights underneath too. So there's the hutch. You can do like a coffee bar or, you know, maybe a freestanding ice maker or something, but we'll get to all of that here in a second. You got a fireplace that doubles as a space heater, and you got your TV. Good spot from the theater seat. So as we look at this island here, you got an outlet on the side, plenty of cabinets and drawers, stainless steel sink. You know, you got that drainage rack on top. Then you got your free-floating dinette there with the 4 chairs. And those seat pads on the chairs actually open up for storage. And you got your theater. You got plenty of windows all the way around this thing, especially on the campsite. Got some more storage next to both of those couches. Then everything opened up. You see how many drawers Grand Design gives you. You are definitely not lacking in space here. Got all these drawers in the island, the big drawer underneath the oven. It's got pegboards there so you can put pots and pans in there. You know, another cabinet beside it. Another cabinet beside the microwave. And then this pantry is just huge. You know, if you run out of space as far as food to put in that pantry, there's something going wrong. And then you even got more storage up above the TV. Then we got the Furrion thermostat there, and then our Compass Connect, where you turn on your water heater, water pump, all your lights, awnings, and slides. So again, here in the center is the bathroom. You got plenty of open storage there for towels, toilet paper. You got a porcelain foot flush toilet. Then up above this you have a towel rack and more storage. Then of course we have the shower here with the skylight, and I'm only 5'10" and I fit in there just fine. And you also have that squeegee door that will close, and you know, so you don't have to worry about a shower curtain. So coming into the bedroom here, you see you got those 2 reading lights up above the bed, and those are blue. And if you see here, they also go white. So we pan around here, and this one's actually got the extra drawers and wardrobe here in the corner. Another thing to note on this one, there are no floor vents. Everything is ducted through the sides. And then opened up, you see the 2 drawers there. You got a wardrobe place here with a hanging rod. And then we got 2 more drawers and a wardrobe on each side of the bed. Upper storage up above it. And then just down there in the corner, you got a household outlet and USB outlets on both sides. So coming outside, this is our water connections here. So you have an outdoor shower, your battery disconnect. You got an outlet there as well as your TV connections. This is the other side of the pass-through, and as you can see, this is aluminum framed. This also has TPS monitor prep in it. So what do you think of this 2970 RL? You know, this is one of the ones that we've been thinking about getting. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.